This conference will now be
So,
recorded.
yes. So what is HTML? HTML is a which one is a collection of tags, guys. Collection of tags. That means a lot of tags are available in the HTML. There's so many are available, guys, right? Okay, so we'll try to discuss more number of tags, right? First one, like for example, heading tags are there. Heading tags, guys. Like what are those we have seen yesterday? Like H1 tag, right? H1 tag, H2 tag, H3, H4, right? H5, H6. These all are which one heading tags, guys. So tag means compulsorily we must keep the bracket, guys, like this. Okay, then only it's called a tag. We must keep the bracket like this, right? So these all which one, guys, these all are the heading tags. Like that we have the like table tags are there, all of right, table tags are there, table tags, guys. Then regarding form tags are there. Then list tags are there, all of us list tags are there, list tags are there. Okay, like that. Next one, phrase, guys, phrase tags are there, phrase phrase tags are there, right? Next, paragraph tags are there. Okay, like that, lot of things are there for image purpose, paragraph tags, audio video tags, right? Next, DL tags are there, data list tags, definition tags are there. So many, guys, so many are there, right? So we'll try to discuss some more number of tags. The previous class we have seen about heading tags, right? Now let's talk about the table tags, guys. Table tags means how to create the table, and to create table what tags required. To create table what tags required to us. Yes. So first of all, yes, all of you observe now. Let us see now how to create a table normally. Now all of you observe. So yes, guys. Now all of you observe here. I'll take the new file. Yes. So yes, guys, generally what is table? All of you observe. This is table, right, guys? Here I'm taking the table. In the table, generally we can have two parts, right, guys? In the table, we can have two parts. It's a table which contains two parts, right? It's called again a header, table body, guys. Okay, table header, table body. All of you observe very clearly, guys. Okay. So the first one table tag, the first one table tag. The table tag we have table head and the table body, guys, right? So all of you observe. Now this is the table head, guys. Okay, I'll take, sorry, right? What is the tag name here? This tag name is a table. Okay, table tag, guys. To create this one now, which tag we use? We use the table tag. Okay, table tag, guys. Now and again here in the table there are two parts, guys. This is the one part. This is the one part, right? And this is the second part, guys. Second part. All of it. Now all of you observe, to create the table, which tag we use? We use a table tag, guys. What is tag name? Table tag we use. Table tag. The table two parts are there. The first part is T head, guys. What is the first one? T head, table head, guys. Table head. That is the first part. Then what is second part? The second part is T body. This is the first part, right? This is the first part. Then the second part is T body, guys. Okay. The second part, to create the second part, so what we use means we use a tag called T body, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So what's the name here? This is the T body, guys. Okay. T body tag. So T head, T body. That's all, guys. Enough. Now we have the two parts, right? T head, T body. In the T head, guys, in the T head, how many rows possible here? Only one row, guys, right? Only one row, that is columns name is possible. The T head, only one row possible, that is columns names, right? Columns names, guys. That's why the T head always we have only one row. That is the TR, guys. What's the tag name? TR tag. All of you observe what's tag name we use here. TR tag. The table head. The table body. How many rows possible? The table body, you can have n number of rows, guys. Maybe 5 rows, 10 rows, 100 rows, 1000 rows, 10,000 rows, 1 lakh rows, n number of rows possible. The T body. So I'll take few rows, guys. Right? I'll take this is the one row. Now I'll take the this is second row and third row and the fourth row, guys, like that. Now, all of you observe here. All of you observe now. So here it divides the row and column, table row. Sorry, table T head and T body, guys. Okay, here it divides the T head and T body, guys. T head and the T body. That's all. Right. So here the T head only one row is there. Only one row is there to display columns names. The T body, what we display in all the rows, what we display the data, guys, actual data. We display the main data or actual data, right? So how many rows we have taken here? Actually, a number of rows possible, but in this example, we have taken now 4 rows, guys. Okay, this is the one table row, right? Again, now this is the one more table row. Okay, this is the one more table row, right? And okay, this is the one more table row, guys. I have taken 4 table rows. We have taken 4, guys, 4, right? 4 table rows we have taken where the T body and the T body, guys. Okay, right. But here in the table, in the header, what do we have generally? Columns names, right? Like employee name, employee number, right? Employee number, then employee name, right? Now, suppose it's salary, okay. Next one, suppose location and the company name, like this, guys. We have the columns names up, and here each cell we create by using a th tag, guys, th tag. All of right. So what I want now, I want to get 5 columns here. I want to take the 5 names, guys. Here I want to take the 5 names, right? For example, I'll take this is the one column, right? I'll take the suppose one more column here. We'll take here one more column, 3 columns over, right? 4 columns and fifth one over, guys. Okay. So here now I want take here simply I want take now employee number, guys. Employee number. I want to get the employee number. How to get the employee number here? How to get the employee number? To display an employee number also, we should use a tag, guys. We should use a tag. All of you observe, to display employee number also, we should use a tag. What tag we use here? What tag we use here now? Just observe, guys. Now I am going to take here th, then eno, again, guys, slash th, like this, slash th, guys, like this. We should use a th tag, guys. Th tag we should use to display that employee number, like this. Now all of you observe here, I am taking that only each one. Next one I want to get like next one I want to get here employee name, guys. I want to get the employee name. Next one I want to get here employee name. Here I want to get the employee name. How to get the employee name here? How to get the employee name here? Yes, guys, again we use a tag, which tag? Again th tag. Okay, so again we'll take the th tag, guys. I'm going for again th then e name then slash th, like this. Now all of you observe, we use a th, like this. Same, guys, for every column we do same thing only. For every column name, the table head I'm talking, guys, the table head we do same thing, employee number, employee name, then I take the salary. We take salary also same, we take the salary also, which one th, salary th, guys. Okay, same salary also. We'll take the here suppose company name, guys, company, and I'll take the finally location also, guys. We'll take all same process, guys. Tags we use a th tag. Okay. Now, if you take like that, then what happened here? Table head, guys. T head over. The T body, in the T body, how many rows are there? We have 4 rows, right? 4 rows, guys. In the first row, I want display number is 1001, guys. Employee number is 1001. So then how display 1001? So here we don't use a th tag, we use a td tag, guys. Td tag, table data, right? 1001, then close the td tag like this, guys. We close the td tag. And the data, in the data part, how many rows you take, all the rows we do, all the rows in each row, all the right cell values will take by using td, guys, by using td only. Also can observe here, same whatever the values take in all the body rows, in all the rows, in all the cells, guys, the values will get by which one, by which tag we use here, td tag we use. In case of header part, which tags we use th tag, guys, to get the data. Okay, right. Now I am going to take the values normally, guys. Okay, now we know how to display. I'll take the name Sai here, right? Right, guys, names I am taking there. Okay, fine. Next one, salary is, for example, 20,000, right? 20,000, and company is NTH, guys, and location is HYD, HYD. That's all. Okay, this is all values. How do we display that? We know by using which one? By using a TD, guys, right? Next one, let's take the different values now. Yes, let's take 1002, 1002, then Nani, let's take 25,000. Okay, then for example, TCS, then let's take here, suppose Bangalore, guys, enough, right? Next one, we'll take 1003, 1003. Then let's take Satya here. I'll take suppose 30,000. Right, let's take here Wipro, guys, here Wipro. Then let's take now Chennai, guys. That's all. Let's take here Chennai like this. All of right. Okay. So fine. I'll take the last one also, guys. We'll take the last one also. 1004, 1004. Let's take here right Renu. Then let's take here 50,000, right? 50,000. Then we'll take here, suppose, guys. Okay, same NTH, for example, right? The NTH also available in Bangalore, for example, guys, like this. Now all of you observe, right? This is what now I want to create, guys. This is what I want to create now. This is what I want to create now. Now all of clear, right? All of clear. So here, then which tags we use finally to work with the table? Which tags we use? No, all of you observe. The main tag is table tag, guys. The main tag name, what's the name? Table. The table, now what is there here? Head, guys, and the body. Two parts are there. And the table, two parts. T head, T body. The T head always only one TR. In the T body always we have n number of rows, guys. The T body always we have n number of rows. N number of rows. Okay. The T head only one row. In that row, what we display? We display the columns names, guys. We display columns names. How, which tag we use here? We use TH tags, guys. TH tags we use to display all columns names, right? Then the body, in the body would take the actual data, right? In the body means we take the actual data, guys, actual data. Then which tags we use to work with actual data? Which tags we use? We use the td tag, guys. Which tag? Td tag we use. All of it. Work with actual data, to display actual data, we use a td tag. Okay, td tag. Now all of clear this one. If I clear, then guys, I'm going to create the same table as it is in the HTML. All of clear, right? Everybody, please give reply, guys. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'll open the our same guys, okay, or HTML file. I can take the one more HTML file, or guys, can I make the changes in the same file, guys? I can take the one more HTML file, a new file, or on the same I can make the modification. Suppose here I want one more file, then take it Control N, guys, Control N. Okay, Control N, new file, right, guys? New file created. Currently, this file name is new 8, guys. Currently, in this case, the file name is new 8. In our case, if you do first time, new 1, new 2, new 3, like that, the names will come. So first of all, change the name itself, guys. Change the name. If you don't change the name initially, while writing the program, it will not take the tags. See, guys, for example, if you see previous program, here what happened now? Initially, before writing the coding, I saved the file with .html file. That's why the tags coming automatically, guys. See, suppose if I take here head, see, all tags coming automatical, right, guys? Head, if I close it, automatically closing tag coming here. Why? Because this file is now HTML file. HTML file. So it will get automatically closing tags when you write the opening tag. But the same thing not possible in this new file, guys, because this file which type currently is a text type. Current this file is type text, guys. Okay, text format. This file text format text file. So I'm writing here, for example, head. See, nothing coming, guys. Nothing coming. See, nothing, no closing, guys, here. So first of all, what do? We save the file .html so that you get all the HTML attributes and tags here. How to save it initially? Just click on the file name, then save as, guys. Save as. Then I'm writing here. Which one? I'm writing here table, guys, table program, something like this. Okay, table program dot html, guys, dot html, table program dot html, or simply employee data, or take any name, guys, no problem. Okay, let's take here table, guys. Okay, table program, that's all. Dot html is required always. If you don't take dot html, then by default what is there here? Dot txt is there, right? Dot txt, guys. Okay, dot txt is there. Yes, now observe here, I am taking a table. See, guys, all coming, right, guys? See, all coming now. I take table. See, table came, just close it. It's coming automatically, closing tag also, guys. Okay, yes, table. The table, what's the first tag, guys? Here, what's first one? Head, right? Head. In the head, we take the title, guys. Why title? To display the page name. Take the title, okay, to display page name. I'll take here employees like this, employee data like this, right? Now coming here body, guys. Okay, body, right? In the body, now I am going to create table now. All of right, I'm going to create a table in the body. So actually it is not a table, guys. I made a mistake here. Is which one? HTML, guys, right? It's HTML tag, right? HTML tag, guys. HTML tag. In the HTML head is there, and then body is there, right? Body. In the body, now I'm going to create a table, right? Now all of you observe, I am taking now table tag. All of observe, right? Table tag. The table tag, now how many parts are there, guys? You tell me now. The table, how many parts are there? The table, how many parts, guys? Tell me now, all of you. The table, how many parts are there? How many parts are there? All of you reply. In the table, how many parts are there? How many parts are there? Two parts, guys, right? What is the names? Right, the first one is T head, guys. Okay,
He
all of
said
this
the
keep in mind. T head. The first one is T head. Okay, T head, guys. The first one is T head, right? T head. The T head, how many rows are there? In the T head, I'm talking about T head only. I'm taking the whole T head, guys. Okay, the T head, how many rows are there? Yes, guys, only one row. Only one row. Yes, only one row. In that row, in that row, what do we write here? In that row, what do we write, guys? What do we write? In that row, what do we write? What do we write in the table head row? In the table head row, which tags we use? Which tags we use? In the table head row, which tags we use? Yes, th tags. Why do we use th tag, guys? Tell me now. Why do we use th tag? Why do we use the th tags? Th tags. Why do we use? Yes, to display the columns names, guys. The columns names. Okay. I'm taking first of all employee number is the first column name. Now first th over, and second th, guys. Employee name, second column over. Then third th, third column name. Let's take salary, right? Next again one more th. Let's take the company, guys. For example, right? Let's take the company. Okay. Next one more th. We'll take here location, guys. For example, like this. I am taking the 5 columns: employee number, employee name, salary, company, location. Now what is over, guys? Here what is over? What is over? Just the column names displaying over, guys. Column names over. Which names? Column names, right? Means now the table head row over. That means now table head, guys, right? Table head row over. Of table head, then what is there? Next one, guys. Second part, T body, right, guys? T body. The second one is the T body. In the T body, now how many rows we can have? N number of rows, guys. So n number of rows. I'll take the first row in the T body, first row. In the first row, I want to take the data. Yes. What is the employee number? I'm taking the 1001 now. So here all of this order is important. What's first column name? ENO. Take the ENO value only. Second E name. Take the second value E name only. Right? Again T head. So TD. E name. I'll take the psi, guys. Now 2 over. Then third one T head TD. What's third column name? Salary is there. Take the salary of psi over. What is the fourth column name? Fourth column name company. Let's take NTH. NTH. Okay, NTH. Next one now. What next one? One more is there, right? One more is the TD. Which one here? Location is the Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad, like this, guys. Hyderabad. Right now, how many rows on the table head? In the table body, how many rows over? Only one row, guys. Only one row over. One row over. I want how many rows? 5 rows, guys. We want 4 5 rows. Then now I'll take one more row. Second row, guys. I'm taking the second row. All of you observe here. Now what is over in this case? What is over, guys? Here the first row over in the table body. This first row over. Now I am going for second row, guys. Okay, the second row. Now all of you observe the second row again. What is first column name? The column name is TENO, right? ENO. Then take the 1002, guys. Okay, 1002. Next one, TD. Let's take the name Nani. Okay, Nani, guys, like this. Hmm. Again TD. Red salary. Let's take 25,000, guys. 25,000. Then TD. Let's take company name. Suppose, guys, TCS. Then TD. Let's take here. Suppose, okay, Bangalore, like this, guys. Bangalore. Right? Enough. Now 2 rows over, right, guys? Now 2 rows over in the table body. I am going to take now one more row again. Again, take the TR, guys. TR means I am taking the one more row. I am taking here one more row. Again, take the data. 1003, right? 1003. Then TD. Let's take the name Satya here. Next one more TD. One more TD. Let's take 30,000. 30,000. Right? One more TD. We'll take here. Suppose same. Let's take here. Suppose Wipro, guys. The last one TD. I'll take for example Chennai, like this. Right? Now how many rows over, guys? Let me know. The table body. How many rows over? The table body. All of you. How many rows over? How many rows over? Yes, guys. The 3 rows over. I'll take the last one, guys. I'll take the last row. I'm taking the one more last row, guys. We take the n number of rows like this. N number of rows like this, right? Again, we take the TD. Then let's take 1004. Then again TD. Let's take here, right? Renu. Again a TD. Let's take salary is 50,000. Okay, one more TD, right? One more TD. Let's take now. Suppose NTH, then one more TD, or else again HYD, guys. That's all. Or Hyderabad. Enough, guys. Now all of you observe. I have taken the 4 rows. Then you may have doubts, sir. If you have the table, suppose you have the 100 rows, sir. Then how? So generally, when you have the lot of data, then we don't write like this one by one, guys. If you write like this, it will take a lot of time, lot of coding. That's why there we use the for loop, guys. We use for loop. In HTML also we can use for loop. How to apply, sir? Yes, guys. That we will discuss when we start our Django topics. How to use? Suppose a lot of data is there in the table, the database table. Lot of data is there, guys. Lot of data is there in the table, right? Now I want to get all the data display here, then in the table format. Then we don't write all, just only one row, guys. The table body only one row, at that time. This data will take dynamic values, dynamic variables, guys, so that every time the keep data will keep on change, and table will create. Okay. Yes, if you want to see that one, just, guys, run the one program which is going on the in the evening batch, guys. Django project going on the evening batch. Okay. So in this table, guys, lot of data is there. Around, guys, 1000 rows are there. I think around 1000 rows are there. Okay. So in the table, guys, the database table, 1000 rows are there. From database table, I want to fetch on the browser, display in the table format. There, if you observe, let me go to the HTML file here only, guys. Just I show you now how we read the same one by using for loop. Yes, guys, observe, right? See, so the table, right? Table started, the table head, guys, T head, then TR same TR. Then you can see, right? All columns names are there. Then T body started. Right, T body started, guys, here. In the T body, what is happening here? Right, a number of rows are possible. So I have taken one row inside the for loop, guys, inside the for loop. Now in this object, 1000 rows are there. Now this for loop executes 1000 times. That display all, guys. And here I did not use like a Sai, Nani, Satya. So variable names with columns used, guys. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Very simple. All right. Now this one over. Now I'm going to save it, guys. Just Control S. Now go to our folder. Yes. So which one our folder? Yes. Go to the right Python Django. Is a folder name or folder name just UI8am, right? Yes, guys. You can see the table program is there. Now open this one, guys. Right? Just you can double click. Normally open this one. Open this one. Yes, guys. You can see the table here. We can see table, right, guys? Table is there. Now all of you observe here. Yes, guys. Okay. So we got the all columns names, and below that one we got all the data. We got all the data, guys. Here we got all the data. Okay. So I want some border here. I want the border of each one. Then, guys, here, then what do we do? We'll go to the table tag. We'll take the one attribute, guys. We'll take the table tag. We'll take the table tag. We take one attribute here, that is a border equal to, I am taking here, guys, suppose 3 pictures. Just border equal to 3 I am taking here. Let's refresh here. Yes, guys. Now all of you can observe here, right? So just, guys, what happened here? The table came, guys, right? Now, sir, I don't want table here. I want to get in the middle, sir. Then between each one, I want some gaps, sir. I want a big table, sir, like this, sir. I want the big kind of table. I want more space, sir. Then, guys, we have to add styles here. See here, normally a table is there. On top of this one, I want to do some makeup, like applying the different colors. I want to take more space. See, if you observe, If you observe guys here, see very small, right? Very small boxes are there, small cells. I want a little bit very big one, little bit big one. I want more height, more width. Then guys, we go for which one? We go for CSS guys. We have to add the CSS. So I told you in the beginning day. So parallelly guys, see, if you think only HTML, then the table over guys. If you think only HTML coding, then table over, table over. But it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. I want to get in the middle. I want a little bit big table, big size table. I want more columns, more height. Means see guys, right? We have taken the ENO. This ENO, these names are not taken by using heading tags, guys. These are not taken by using like H1, H2 tags. No. If you use H1, H2, you can get the very big one. But here we got this all data by using table tags, right? Table tags. So then we have to apply some styles to get the big font. We have to apply some styles, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I'm going to introduce you styles. I'm going to introduce you styles and apply a little bit styles here, guys. Apply a little bit styles. All of it. I am going to introduce the CSS styles, guys. Okay, styles. Now all of you observe here. All of you observe. So CSS. It stands for anyone, guys. It stands for. All of it stands for CSS. It stands for which one? Cascading style sheets, guys. Cascading style sheets. Okay, style sheets. Yes, so these are, see guys, in CSS what do we have? CSS has which one? Lot of styles, guys. Lot of styles. We have the lot of styles in the CSS, guys. Lot of styles are there. These are all the styles we can apply in three ways, guys. All of the right. These are all the styles we can apply in three ways, guys. In three ways. All of clear. These are all the styles we can apply in three ways. What are three ways? The first way is called inline, guys. Inline styles. The first one is called inline styles. The second one is called internal, guys. Internal styles. Internal styles. The third one is called external. Okay, external styles, guys. External styles. The same, guys. Same styles only, but we have three levels. We have three types, guys. Three types. Okay, suppose let's take the font style. Font. Okay, font is the style. The same style will come under the inline, will come under the internal, will come under the external, guys. The same one only. We can apply in three ways. The same style we can apply in three ways. The first way is called inline style. The second one internal styles. Third one external, guys. External. Then what is inline? What is internal? What is external? Right? Now all of you observe. If you apply the styles, inside the opening tag, inside the opening tag, that is called inline style, guys. Inline style. For example, observe, guys, above the table, I am taking one H1, guys. H1, I'll take simply employee details like this, guys. That's all. Okay, employee details. All of you observe now above the table, I am taking the employee details like this. Okay, yes. Now all of you observe on employee details. First of all, I apply the styles. I apply styles, right? Now if you apply the styles within the opening tag, guys, within the opening tag, if you write the styles, that is called which one? That is called inline, guys. Inline styles. Inline styles. For example, observe. I'll take here. I'll observe now. Style. Okay. Style equal to yes, guys. Equal to. I'm taking now font, guys. I'll take here font to size. I'm taking now font to size. I'll take, guys, here 30 pictures, guys. That's all. 30 pictures. That's all. I'll apply style. So font size 30, guys. Font, see, it's also one kind of attribute, guys. One kind of attribute, right? See, style is the attribute name, and this is the attribute value, guys. All of right. Style is the attribute name. Here also see, style is the, what is the attribute name? 3 is the attribute value. 3 is the attribute value. Here also same. It's the attribute name. It's the attribute value. So always, guys, the attribute values must be within the quotes, guys. The attribute values we must take in the double quotes, guys. We take in the quotes like this. Compulsorily quotes required. Okay. Now I save this one. I save this one. Let's go to the browser. Let me refresh here. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys, the size decrease, right? Let me take, for example, guys, here I'll take here 50 pictures. Let us see now whether it comes or not. I save this one. Okay, I'll save this one. Let's go here. Let's refresh here. Yes, guys. Now all of you observe here, the size increased, guys. The size increased, right? Now there is the style. The style is applied where, guys? The style applied where? The style is taken inside the opening tag, right? Inside the opening tag, guys. Inside the opening tag. Then that style is called, which one? Is called inline style, guys. Inline style. And how many we have taken? Only one style, right? Which one font size we have taken? Right? At the end we have taken the which one? Colon. Now after colon, take one more also if you want. Let's take here background color. Background color. I am taking the background color. Color colon. Colon. I'll take here suppose red, guys. Red. That's all. Again like this semicolon. All right. Let us try now. Let us try, guys. Control yes again. Let's go there and refresh here. Yes, guys. See, background color came. Background color, guys. Background color. Right. So we have taken two styles, right? See, still, guys, here, what is the attribute name? What is the attribute name? Style is the attribute name. Now, this all is the attribute value. This all is the attribute value. See here, the code started and here code ended, and here this all is a one attribute value. In this one, now we have taken two styles, right? First style, and separated by semicolon here. Then again, second style, guys, like this. After everything, we have take the semicolon. Okay. I want to take one more also, guys. Suppose next we take the color, guys. Simply take the color. I am taking the color colon. I'll take the white, guys. For example, I am taking the white color. Let's go there and refresh here. Yes. Now all of you observe here, right? So now if you apply the styles, within the opening tag, then that is called inline, guys. What you call inline styles? Inline styles. Now the same styles, if you apply outside the opening tag, that is called the internal, guys. Suppose I'll remove this all. Guys. I remove this all. Yes. Now no styles are there. Let's go to the browser, refresh here. Yes, guys. No styles are there. Now we know what is inline, right? Now internal means see, guys, actually here in HTML, first head is the right, head is there, then body, guys. Okay, body is there, right? Body is there. Now to apply the internal styles, we take the style tag, guys. Which one? We use the style tag, style opening tag, style, guys, closing tag, like this. Style closing tag. So the style tag, we can take either inside the head like this, or either inside the body like this, inside the body here like this, or between these two, guys. You can take between head and body also. I can take that one between head and body here, guys. You can take anywhere, no problem. All right. Now what I'm trying here, I'm taking between these two, for example, guys. Yes, right. I'm taking the style tag, right? Style tag between now which one? Opening head and body, guys. Okay. See, now this is the head tag, right? Head tag. This is the body, guys. Okay, body. Between these two, I taking the style tag. Why? To apply the styles. Those styles are called what you call here internal, guys. Okay, internal styles. They're called internal styles, guys. Internal styles. The same styles we use, but we're using separately, so it's called internal, right? I want to apply an H1, guys. So take the tag name first of all. I want to apply an H1, right? H1. Then what you want to take first of all? I want to take the color. I want to take the color colon. Let me take here green, guys. Okay, I want to take the green color. That's all, right? I save this one, Control S. Let's go to browser. Yes, guys. Can you observe here, right? The green color came, right? Next one, next line here. I want take now font family, guys. Okay, font family. We want take here cursive, guys. Okay, I think cursive spelling correct, right, guys? Cursive. Yes. Okay. Can observe right cursive. This is the cursive, guys. Okay, cursive. Now I want to give the size. I want size, guys. Okay. Then font to size, guys. Okay, font to size. Let's take here 50 pictures, guys. Okay, for example, 50 pictures like this. Let's go there and refresh here like this. Now see, guys, if you observe the same thing I used in the opening tag, right? Previously the same color, font size, background color I used, but now here these are called, what you call this one, these are called the internal, guys, internal styles we use. These are called which one, internal styles. Okay, now then what is the external styles, guys? What is external styles? See, I told you that we can use style tag inside that head, inside the body, or between both, guys. Okay, between head and body also possible, no problem. I remove this one now, right? I save this one. Let's go here. Let's go here. Yes, guys, fine. Now third one is there. What is third one? What is third one? External CSS, guys, right? The third one is external CSS. So what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that now I'll take the a separate, see, this is the which file, guys? This is the .html file, right? All of you, this is the which file? This is the, okay, .html type file. .html. I have taken the name. What name you have taken, guys, for this one? You have taken the name. Suppose, right? Table underscore program dot HTML like this. This is HTML file. Okay, HTML file. Now the same location, the same folder, the same location. Now what do? I'll create one more file. One more file. That file name I'll give here. Suppose say any name, table underscore program dot. I give the CSS, guys. I'll give the CSS. All of you observe, HTML file name, CSS file name may be same, may be different, guys. Is our wish. Okay, I'm taking the separate CSS file, and here now H1 is there. What is there here on H1, right? H1, guys. Simply I take the directly H1. That's all. Directly take the H1. H1 apply the styles. Suppose something color, red color. Okay, red like this. Then suppose okay, font size, for example, I'm taking as font size. I'll take 50 pictures, like this. Now it's over, guys. That's all. We don't take a style tag, guys. Again, we don't take like again a style opening tag, then a style closing tag. No, it's not required here. Why not required? Because already the file is style file only, guys. Already the file is which file? Styles file only. That's why this tag is not required. Right? Take the only tag name. Take the only directly which one? And whatever tag you want to apply styles, take the tag name only. Take the tag. Now you may have one more doubt, sir. On H1 only, we have suppose two things are there. Suppose I have one more H1 also. The same file, one more H1. For example, we have like this. Some different content. For example, let's take here employees, something else, only employees like this. For example, imagine now. Your doubt is, so the same file, now we have two times H1s are. If you take H1 like this, then which H1 will go, sir? Is it first H1? Is it second H1, sir? Yes, guys, it will go to both the H1s. The style applies for both H1s. The first H1, second H1. In the HTML file, how many H1s are there? For all H1s, it applies, guys. I don't want like, sir. I don't want like that. I want for only specific H1 only, sir. The style I want only for a specific H1 only, sir. Yes, guys. In that case, we can manage by creating a separate IDs for H1, guys. A separate ID we create, the ID name we use. Okay, that is concept called different topic, that is called selectors, guys. Okay, selectors topic is there. What is the meaning here? Out of all H1s, I want select a specific h1 only to apply the styles. There is a concept of which one? CSS selectors concept, guys. Selectors concept. Selectors we use, okay? That we see after some time how to pick up one h1 or two h1s, or out of all 10 h1s I want only 4 h1s, that we see as part of the selectors topic, okay? Right. Now all of you observe here. Finally, what happened? Finally here, what happened here? A file is there. What's the file? CSS file is there, and here what is there here? HTML file is there. Now simply what do I do? This file name I give the link here, guys. That file name I give the link. How to give the link? By using which tag? By using a link tag, guys. Which tag we use? Link tag we use. Link tag, guys. Link tag. Link tag. Okay. Recently, guys. Recently, just ask our student. Okay. So, do you know working with external files, guys? External files in Django, we call it as a external files. External means this one, guys. External files or static files. Okay, he said that yes, sir, we know how to, we know working with static or external files. Then he asked, okay, how to give the connection, the external CSS file to HTML file? How to give the connection? Means what does it mean? Is expecting what link we, what tag we use to give the connection. All what is tag name here? What is tag name, guys, here? All what is tag name here? All of you, what is tag name we use here? Right. Okay, link tag, guys. Link tag we use. Link tag we use, guys, here. Okay, so we have seen practically inline, internal, external, guys, we'll see later. This external we'll see later. Just explain how to work, but later we'll work on this one. Okay, now all of clear about three types of styles: inline, internal, and external, guys. Everybody is clear, right? What is inline styles, what is internal styles, and what is external styles? Everybody is clear? Yes, very good. Now, so fine, guys. Now all of you observe. Now all of you observe. Now what I want here, what I want now. See, this is the which tag, guys. This is the which tag? H1, guys. This is the H1 tag. Okay, it is the H1 tag, right? H1, guys. H1 tag. And this all is which tag? It's all is the table, guys, right? Overall it's a which one? Table tag, guys. Okay, table tag. It's the table tag. Now between h1 tag and table tag, we have the gap. We have the more gap is there, guys. More space is there. More space is there. I want decrease the space. So means between two tags, guys. Between two tags, I want either increase the space or decrease the space, guys. All are clear, right? Between two tags, how to increase the space or how to decrease the space. So here we use which styles, guys? Here we use margin styles, guys. Okay, margin styles. Which styles we use? Margin styles we use to increase the space or decrease the space between two different tags, guys. Between two different tags. All are clear, right? All are clear. So why do we use margin styles? Margin styles. Okay. So margin styles are used to increase or decrease the space between two different tags. Two different tags, guys. All are clear. If you are clear, guys, then let's try to work with this margin styles now. Margin styles. All are clear. So why do we use margin styles? Means the styles are used about to increase or decrease the space between two tags, guys. Between two tags. Between all observe, right? Between which one? Between two tags. Okay. Between two tags, guys. Margin styles. Right. Now observe here. All of you observe now. Suppose see what is the tag of this env, guys, here. What is tag name? Th. What is ename tag? Th. Salary tag? Th. Company? Th. Location? Th. Next env 1001, which one? Td. Td. Sai TD, 1000, 10,000 TD, NTH TD, and Hyderabad TD, guys. Okay, TD. These all the which tags are TD, right? TD, guys. Now, all of you observe here. Let's take the anyone sale. Yes. Now, all of you observe here. Now, all of you observe here. Yeah, suppose let's take here, guys. Let's take this tag. What's tag name here? What is tag name here? TD, guys. TD tag. Okay, TD tag. Now, so inside the TD tag, some content is there, guys. Some content is there. Okay, some content is there. For the content, we did not use any tag within the TD. Just content taken. Now, what I want here, I want the maintain the space between the content and border, guys. So content and its tag border, content and its tag border, guys. All of right. In observe here, I want to maintain the space, the content and its border, guys. Content and its border, right? It's border. All of right. I want to maintain the space between the content and its border, guys. It's tag border. It's tag borders. It's tag borders. Then there we use padding styles, guys. Padding styles. All of right. Two styles are there here, right? Margin and padding, guys. Margin and padding styles. Now all of you observe here in the CSS. The first I'm going to discuss you which one. Margin styles and right second one which one padding, guys. Padding styles, margin and padding styles, right? Now all of you observe, I am going to explain you working with the margin and padding styles, guys. Margin and padding styles. Yes, suppose, guys, I am taking now I am taking here. Now, all of you observe here. I am giving an example, guys. I'm going to give an example. Okay, this is the body, guys. This is the body. The main tag, which tag? Always main tag is body, guys. Okay, body tag. Inside the body tag, I am taking here one h1. Okay, on h1, guys. I am taking the one h1. Now all of you observe in the h1, I display some content here, like I'm displaying here. Okay, some right Narayana like this, guys. Okay, Narayana tech house, something like this. Now all of you observe here. Just imagine, okay, just imagine, guys, like this. Yes. Now all of you observe here. Now all of you observe here. So what happened now? This is the which tag? This is the, guys. I'm taking the just a body. Okay, body tag, guys. Okay, it's a body tag. It's a body tag. In the body tag, now I have taken on h1 tag, guys. I taken h1 now. We're taking the border of the h1. Okay, we're taking the border of h1 now. That's why it came like that. Border, guys. Okay. Now what is my concept here? See, between h1 and the body, guys. Four sides are h1 body and h1 body, h1 body, guys. Okay. Between between two tags and four sides, I want to maintain the space. Then we go for which one? Margin, guys. Margin styles. Okay, margin styles. Now all of you observe. I'm talking in point of h1. In point of h1, this is the top, guys. Top side. This is the top side. In point of h1, this is the which side? Right side. Okay, right side. Right side. In point of h1, this is the which one? Bottom side. All of right, bottom side. In point of h1, this is the which side? Left. Okay, left side, guys. That's all. Now, so in point of h1, I'm taking this one. So to maintain the space in the top side, we use a margin, guys. Okay, margin. We use a margin top. What style name we use? We use margin top, guys. Margin top. All of right. I'm talking point of h1. I want the top space in the top side, so margin top we use. And here which one we use? We use margin right, guys. Okay, margin right we use. Because for h1 I want space right side, guys. Right side, margin right. Okay, I want the bottom side. We use then we use here margin, guys. Margin bottom, margin bottom, margin left, guys. Okay, I want the space the top side. right side or bottom side or left side, any space, inside space, you can use corresponding style, guys. Corresponding style. These are styles, guys. Okay, margin is top style, margin top style, margin right style, margin bottom style, margin left style. These are combinedly called margin styles. Margin, guys, right? Margin styles. Okay. Now coming to inside, guys. Now inside a content is there. Of a content, we have the border, right? We have the borders here. H1 border is there. Content and border, guys. Again, four sides are there. Again, we have the four sides, right? Four sides, guys. Now again, this is the top side, right, guys? Top side of the content. This is the which side, right side of the content. This is the bottom side of the content, right? And this is the which one? Left side of the content, guys. Okay, left of the content. Now here what I want now, between the content and border, guys, between content and border, right? These are the borders. Okay, these are the borders, guys. These are the borders, right? Now in this case, now we use padding, again padding top, guys. Okay, padding top. Then this right side, I want, then we use padding right, guys. Padding right. Okay, and here we call padding bottom. Okay, padding bottom, guys. Padding bottom. And here it's called padding left, guys. Okay, padding left. Padding left, guys. Now all of clear, all of clear now. So when do you go for margin styles? When you go for the padding styles. So margin means, guys, always remember, margin means between two tags, guys, right? Between two tags. Margin means between two tags. See here, this margin y between body tag and h1 tag. Again margin y, again same body and h1 is there. Again this margin y body, sorry, h1 is there, and guys body is there. Again margin, left side margin, same body and h1. Coming to the these things, guys, which one? Coming to the this padding. So padding means you can see, right, content is there and top, guys. That's why border, content and border, right? Again content and right border. Again content and bottom border. Again content and left border, guys. Okay, between tag and tag, we use margin. Between content and the tag, guys, content and border of the tag, content and the border of the current tag, right? The border of current tag, which one we use padding, guys? We use padding. Now all of you are clear when do you go for margin and padding styles? All of clear? If you are clear, then guys, we apply this margin padding styles on our current example on this table. All of let me know, guys, are clear about the margin and padding styles? Everybody is clear, right?